Welcome back to Zach's Wild World of Nature. I brought him to my house to interact with my animals. Come here. Come here. Come here. How about you? You want to come here? Come here. Come here. I'm doing this till he wakes up because he's still asleep on the couch on my laptop, so I can't really upload. Oh, wait. I'm waiting for this. Don't like that. Look, I haven't. Wake up, I'll give you food. Just sit up. Good creature. Okay, here you go. Creature, here. Look. Look. No, you can't have any. I think it likes the kind. I think I might have one myself. Come here, little creature. Yeah. Come here. Yeah. Yeah. Come here and see how. I need to see if you go along good with my. I don't think this will turn out well. It doesn't look like it's very friendly with my pets. Thanks for putting your butt in the camera. Okay, I don't think it's interacting very well with my pets. I may have to move it to a new facility. Looks like my pet has one. Good job. Good job. Good job. Now time to move it to a new facility. Get the garbage bags.